organizing your thoughts and research in an outliner app and working with OTX export files. These structured text documents preserve your hierarchical outline organization. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to open and use these outliner text files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party OTX file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. OTX files are outline structured text files, created by outliner applications for organizing hierarchical information. They contain indented text entries arranged in a tree structure, with parent-child relationships representing organized notes, research outlines, project plans, and structured document drafts with expandable and collapsible sections. OTX files are outline structured text files created by outliner applications for organizing hierarchical information. They contain indented text entries arranged in a tree structure with parent-child relationships representing organized notes, research outlines, project plans, and structured document drafts with expandable and collapsible sections. For reliable opening, the Outliner of Giants by the Woodpecker.org, Roman M. Ciano offers the best solution for OTX. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows displays only foundational details, so comprehensive editing depends on the right application. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the OTX file and choose Open With. Use the Outliner of Giants if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If you cannot access the OTX file, no problem. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, open in an outliner application. Load the OTX file in an outliner application such as OmniOutliner Dynalist or any compatible outline editor. The application displays the hierarchical structure with expandable and collapsible sections. Navigate the outline tree and expand or collapse branches to focus on specific sections of your organized content. Next, view as plain text. Open the OTX file in any text editor such as Notepad++ or VS Code to view the raw outline structure. Indented lines represent nested child items under their parent entries. The plain text view reveals the complete outline hierarchy even without dedicated outliner software for basic reading and editing. Finally, convert to other formats. In your outliner application, export the OTX content to OPML Markdown, HTML, or PDF format for broader compatibility. OPML is the universal outline exchange format supported by most outliner tools. Markdown and HTML exports create formatted documents preserving the heading hierarchy from the original outline structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.